Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 15, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 15, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, December 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 15, 2024, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, December 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 15, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.